Hello there, boys and girls. We're going to divide 1,245 divided by 5 using an area model. So I have already, for my area model, came over here and made my easy facts. So I've done my 5 times 1, and then 10 times greater, and then 100 times greater. 5 times 2 is following the same pattern, 5 times 3, and then my 5 times 5. Now I'm going to draw my area model. Big rectangle, and I know that I'm starting with an area of 1,245, and I am going to divide it by 5. So I need to find 5 times something is going to give me 1,245. So I'm going to go over to my easy fact bank, and I'm going to look at something that's close to 1,245 but doesn't go over, or it could be exactly equal to it. So what do we see over here that we could use? Oh, well, I see this 1,500, but it's larger than 1,245, so I can't use that. But I could use this 5 times 200. So 5 times 200 will be the first part of my area model. So 5 times 200 equals 5 times 2 is 10, and then 10 times greater, 10 times greater. So it's 1,000, which we saw over here. So 1,000. So now I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have 245 left out of my total area. So I need to find the next piece of my area model. 245. Is there anything over here that's close without going over? Well, the closest one that I see is 250, but that's more than 245, so I cannot use it. So I'm going to have to use this one right here. I'm going to have to use my 5 times 30. So 5 times 30. 5 times 30 equals 150. 150, I need to subtract that. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 5, I'm going to have to regroup here. So 14 minus 5 is 9. I still have 95 left in my area model. So I'm going to have to go over here to my easy facts again. 100 is too big. What do I have that's close? Okay, well, I have this 50. So 5 times 10 is 50. Five minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. I still have 45 left. I've run out of some room in my area model. I can just draw another section on there. I'm okay because I have to have somewhere for this to go. So I have my 45, it needs to come over here. Now, it's not on my easy facts, but I know that 5 times 9 is 45 because I have my 5s memorized. So 5 times 9 is 45. So I can put my 9 here. And that will use up all of my area. I'm at 0. So what do I do to find my actual solution? Well, I have to add it all up, all the pieces of my area model, so that I can find what my other factor was here. So I have 200 plus 30 is 230, plus 10, 240, plus 9, 249. So how did I get that? 200 plus 30 plus 10 plus 9. 249. So the answer to 1,245 divided by 5 is 249. What I also know about this is that 249 times 5 equals 1,245. So 230 plus 10, this is 40. So 249 times 5 is all of this area right here. And that's what we started with.